prepared in a unique way with lots of patience, utmost care and love. So today I am going to show you one of such traditional and special recipe, that is Sheerkurma dry fruits preparation. Also friends, I have shared the Amazon link in the description box below. You can check out that for the products whatever I have used in my videos. For my friends who have not subscribed to my channel still, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can keep getting the notifications whenever I release my new videos. Please watch the video till the end to check out what's the surprise in this video. And for my friends especially who have tried my recipes and share their pictures with me. Let's get started and check out how the recipe goes. The ingredients in dry fruits we will require few almonds, cashews, pista, it's unsalted, walnuts, few chironji. I've taken here 3 different vessels and added water to this. Here I am boiling all of the dry fruits in a different vessel because the temperature required to cook that particular dry fruit is different. So almonds require more time to get boiled to become soft, and pista require very less time. You can also take one pan and boil all the dry fruits in one, but you should make sure that you're adding the almonds first to the boiling water, then boil it for 15 minutes, and after that, once the almonds are little soft, then you can add the pistachio for that, and then you can add the chironji to this. I'm going to close the lid here, and also for the pistachio. Now the water has started boiling for the third vessel too. I'm going to add the chironji for this. I'm going to close this. The flame, keep it on a medium flame and allow it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. The almond, you need to boil it for more time. The pistachio doesn't need much time. You can boil it for 10 minutes. Almonds you can boil for 20 to 25 minutes. And the chironji you can boil it for say 10 minutes. So now I will check whether the pistachios are ready. Just take a spoon, take one pistachio and hold it in your fingers and just press it slowly. Now you can see how the skin of the pistachio comes out. So drain off the water and take out all the skin of the pistachios. Now we'll simultaneously check the chironji. Take in the spoon and careful, it's hot. Just hold one chironji and peel it like this. See how easily this is coming out? And just try to smash it. Still this is not getting separated. So this means this still requires another 5 minutes to get cooked. So we'll continue boiling it for another 5 more minutes. Okay, now we can see the chironji is almost done. It's boiled. And take one. Try to just press it slightly. The skin comes out. Then tries to press it softly and this gets separated. So this is how we need to do this. We need to take out the skin and then divide this into half. Now the cashew nuts and the walnuts, we need not boil this. can see all our dry fruits are ready. Here the pista and the chironji is completely dried. The almonds, so fine yet so beautiful. and the walnuts and the cashews. Add a generous amount of ghee to the pan. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm roasting the almonds. Now I'm going to add the pista and the chironji. Now I'm going to add the cashews and the walnuts. My dry fruits are almost roasted. They are beautifully roasted to a golden brown color. You can see this. And now we will take it out. So friends, did you see how beautifully and how wonderfully the Sheerkurma dry fruits are prepared? Please do try this recipe and share your pictures with me, and I will share your pictures in my upcoming videos. I'll be waiting you in my next video where I'll show you how to prepare Sheerkurma again in a traditional and a unique way. So till then, keep watching, stay tuned. Thank you.